Stampers! Today I'm going to be showing you some two-step stamping. Two-step stamping is where you take multiple stamps to create one image or maybe even color an image. This is considered two-step, however we use 3 steps for that particular stamp set. When you're looking throughout the Stampin' Up! Catalog or online, you will see this little emblem that's stamping, two-step stamping. And here, this one is really a two-step stamper also, but this one here we would consider a two-step builder. This is a two-step stacker, and I will show you the difference. So we're going to start with our two-step builder. We're taking the little leaf from the stem from the swirly bird and the little daisy, and we're going to build our image with that. So I've got an old olive ink pad here, and I'm going to stamp a couple of stems just so you can get a better idea about this. And we're taking our Night of Navy ink, and hopefully I won't get my head in the camera. Whoops. There you can see I didn't stamp evenly. So we're going to just stack those flowers on top of our stems, and that's called a two-step builder, excuse me, not a stacker, because we're building, we're moving up. Now for the two-step stacking, this is where we take one image and we stamp it. This image is from the Oh So Eclectic. Now you don't see a two-step stamping image on here, however we don't need any more to make this a full image, but if we want to color it, we can take one of the stamps out of there and stamp it on top, and there we have our full blossom. Now for the other two-step, this one here, we're going to take 3 different ones, so it's kind of your 3 stamping. And we're going to stamp our first petal. The most solid one is always your lighter image. And this is the second one. Now I'm going to off stamp this because I don't want it completely that solid Tangerine Tango. So we've stamped that on top. And now I'm taking the outline with, and I'm not off stamping that any, but there we have, our full image there. So this would be two-step building. These two are two-step stacking because we're stacking the colors right on top of each other. Now off stamping, I mentioned, is when you take an image and you ink it up and you off stamp it and then stamp your project. So you can see you can get 4 different tones of that one ink with just, using the same ink and just off stamping it a bit. And so sometimes if you want your image a little lighter on your project, just stamp it on a piece of scrap paper, and that's considered off stamping. I hope you enjoyed this cute little tip about two-step stamping and off stamping today, and have a great day. Happy stamping!